How to use question sticker on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use a question sticker on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok on your mobile phone, and this is where you will get. So we sometimes see that different people post a TikTok and they have a question how to add that sticker. It's actually really easy. To demonstrate, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a TikTok by just clicking on the plus button. It will open up my camera, so I will record a video really quickly. So you have to click on this check button and it will take you to edit your TikTok. Now you have to enter a text first, whatever you want to ask your followers. So I'm going to add a text. So this is the text that I'm going for. You have to click on done. Once the text is added, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the text, and now you can see it's giving me the option of use a question sticker, the third option. Click on this one. You can see allow others to answer a question to your post, and that's what I want. I'm going to click on allow, and you can see it will turn into a question. This is a question sticker that we can add, and it will also show your profile and an answer option. And this is how you can use a question sticker on TikTok. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.